All right, well, this is the last trade review that I'll be doing, or trade recap, in this place, in this area that you've been seeing. If anyone's been watching these, this is the last recap I'll be doing, at least for a month. Maybe I do one or two, but for the most part, this is the last one pretty much ever, um, because I am moving to start a sales job, which will be pretty cool. But that means I will no longer be living at home and just trading and coaching soccer. So a little bit about that, or let's talk about today real quick. No trades, and we'll get into why real quick. Does anyone know why we didn't want to trade today? Looking at that. And yeah, yesterday we had the same type of look, and I took a trade. And I was looking for a trade today, but nothing presented itself because we had taken out these lows here. We swept the lows pre-market. I was expecting maybe to sweep this and then go higher. And so I was just bullish because on the bigger time frame, we are just in this imbalance. We took out all the liquidity, we're stalling. And even if we want to go lower, I was expecting to see equilibrium get met around here, or even just dig deeper in this 4 hour. And we never got it, so I never got a trade. And I couldn't justify a short because if you look at the market open, shorting today just wouldn't have been good. The only trade that I kind of liked was when we inversed this 15-minute fair value gap right here. We inversed it here. I mean, I still wouldn't trade this because I was expecting price to go higher first. But we do inverse the 15-minute. Like around, where is it closed? 9. It closes on this candle here. So we inverse this fair value gap. And then we reach discount of this leg down. We're in OTE in a fair value gap right here. And then we sell off. That's probably like the only entry that's like all right, but I still just don't like it because it's just against. There's nothing really here, you know. We take these lows, maybe it could reverse. It doesn't. We create this 15-minute, 30-minute area. These red lines never comes back. We never come back here. We never come back here. I was maybe looking for an inverse on this because we inversed. We inversed this 5-minute here. I didn't jump in. I wanted to see it manipulate because the risk was crazy. It was about 70 points. I wasn't trying to lose $700. So yeah, just no trades overall because of where we're at in the charts. I'm gonna let price develop, and I didn't want to run a good week, a good funded account on one day, especially since I probably won't be trading tomorrow. Probably won't be trading Friday, so I want to just end the week and not force anything and leave a bad taste in my mouth. But yeah, so more on moving. The next little bit, I won't be able to trade as often. And if I do, it'll be a lot less hours, a lot less time. But that should only be for about the next month because once I get acclimated and situated in the job and start getting good at knocking doors, closing deals, then I'll be able to set my own time and then I can leave and go work at 11:30 to 12. And then that, obviously, I typically trade all my trades before 12. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to that. Gives me some motivation to get out there, learn quick, and do good because I love trading. And I really don't want to lose this momentum because I feel like even just on the YouTube posting, like my reviews, like the consistency there, I've shown so much growth so quickly from just being consistent posting on YouTube, talking about trading, and just kind of acting the part. When I wasn't uploading on YouTube, I would take stupid trades, I would force trades, I wouldn't be honest with myself, I would be gambling sometimes, and now I just feel like I'm looking at price more effectively because I have to explain it to someone. I can't sit here and be like, oh, well, I shorted here because we swept out these highs here. It's like, that's not valid for me. I don't like that setup, so why would I BS someone and tell them that I took that because I didn't take it? Or why would I force a trade there and try and form some bias? When all the things I learned, we're in this range, let's wait for something to happen to validate which direction, and now we're just continuing to sell off, nothing you can do about it. be patient. And I've learned patience. There's a lot more days. I've been taking a lot of days where I don't take a trade, which is a big improvement, because most days I would always take a trade no matter what. So that's a big improvement. I've improved with the trades I've taken. I've improved with holding some of my trades. I still struggle with holding my trades properly, but I've made big improvements there too. So I'm really happy with the progress. I'm really excited about this journey in trading. I know I'll be able to be profitable. But this sales job will allow me to have less stress because I'll actually be making good money and not have to worry about making money from trading directly. And I'll be able to make, hopefully, should be around 10 to 20K a month. So then anything I do in trading will just be like, it will make it so much easier not to force a trade, because why would I force a trade when I can go make money? And then, because it's so much easier to go from 10K to 100K per year. Or no, it's easier to go from 10K to 100K a month in trading rather than going from 0 to 10K a month trading. So in other words, if I wanted to trade and only traded and maybe did a little part-time job or just worked out at McDonald's, I would trade much better, or I wouldn't trade. It would be harder to get from $0 trading to 10K a month trading than it is to have 10K a month that you're making and go from 10K to 100K trading and then make the big gains trading. Because I love trading. I really enjoy the process of learning. I'm really starting to understand it. I really feel like I'm getting better. So I hope that this moving and doing this doesn't completely ruin my flow and my progress. But we're still gonna look at the charts every day. We're still gonna try and trade as much as possible whenever I get a chance to. But when I'm getting trained out there for a different job, I can't. I have to do the hours that they tell me I gotta be out there. So it is what it is. I'm actually excited to do a whole series of just making money. But this will probably stay investing. I'll turn this account into like investing, a crypto, trading. It'll be mainly day trading, but a lot of my investing, like, cause I really like dividends. Gonna make some videos on that. But this is just gonna be like a documentation of just my finances, basically, with trading, more trading stuff. Maybe, and who knows, maybe it becomes like some real estate stuff too eventually. I'm really excited for this channel. And then even I have a personal channel. Don't worry about that right now. I'll link it maybe some point. I'll plug it at some point if I start going crazy on there. But yeah, so no trades today. But yeah, it's kind of sad that this is the last trade review in this place. It's kind of sad that I'm moving, to be honest. Because it's been nice. It's been nice since June, trading since June. Waking up every morning. I haven't been trading down here since June, but just pulling up my charts at home, looking at the charts, learning, and just be able to take a year. Like right now, I'm 19. I'm about to turn 20 in a month. Less than a month even now. Shoot. But just my whole 19th year, I've made a lot of progress. Not financially, nothing like that, but just in terms of figuring out where I want to be, how I want to set myself up in life. And it's really exciting. And I feel like 19 was honestly reflecting, because I'm about to turn 20 soon, so reflecting on being on my year 19, I guess. Overall, even though if you look from the outside, it's been kind of a failure maybe. But on the inside, myself, I know how much progress I've made. And I'm really proud about that and really grateful for the progress that I've made, so I really can't explain how excited I am for the future and just continuing getting better. But it is sad to leave a piece of that behind by moving out and going and make some real money. I mean, I don't know what I'll do with 10, 20K a month. Imagine when I start making a lot of money from trading, hopefully I stay humble, right? I mean, whatever being humble means when you make a lot of money, who knows? But it's exciting. But again, sad, because I still look at myself as a little kid, and now I'm trying to just make a ton of money. So, but we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna try. I'm at least doing market review. If I can't trade, I'm gonna make a market review like these, just not a trade review midday. I'll just make a review at night and be like, yo, this is what I hopefully would have taken. This is what I saw. This is what I learned. So I can keep in flow with the charts, because I definitely don't want to lose the confidence I have in the charts, because I mean, just watching the charts every day, I mean, I was here for this, 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 here for this, here for this, here for this. It's like I've been seeing it with my eyes. Like I'm getting so much live experience that I just don't want to lose. I want to keep building on it because I really feel like I'm starting to make a lot of progress in trading. But that's the trading review slash little update for the 67 of y'all that are watching the videos. I'm not sure anyone even makes it this far in the video. If you do, that's sick. Madrid play again today. Oh my gosh. I haven't even been able to think about moving because I'm so nervous for this Madrid game. I don't have any expectations. I hope Madrid wins. I hope it's a great game. I hope they don't embarrass themselves. I hope they win. If you made it this far and you like Madrid, leave a la Madrid comment, to be honest, because this is going to be a nice game. Win, lose, tie. Hopefully win. Tie's all right. But I'm excited for that. And then, yeah, I'll be moving. So, last trade review at this place that I'm currently in. So, peace.